Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Affirm Holdings, and today the stock is up 31%, trading at $23.68. Now, Affirm Holdings Inc. operates a platform for digital and mobile first commerce. Its platform consists of three core elements: a point of sale payment solution for consumers, merchant commerce solutions, and a consumer focused app. The company was incorporated as a holding company on June 18th, 2019. And Affirm's business was founded by Max Levchin in 2012 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. The company employs 1,641 employees. And just a side note, the founder of Affirm used to be a co-founder of PayPal. And what this company does is, when you are shopping online, most of the time, that's how people will interact with Affirm. When you're shopping online, you have this option that will pop up on your screen when you go to checkout. And it's an offering usually by Affirm saying that you can either pay now directly to the merchant, or if you don't have the full amount of money required, you can purchase whatever it is that you want to buy and then pay over a period of time. And that second option is offered by Affirm. So you buy now and pay later kind of deal. And what has happened is the third quarter 2021, they realized they just brought out their results, and the results are very positive. Almost for every index that you were looking at, they grew more than 100%. Be it the number of users, be it the number of merchants that they have signed up, or even being or the amount of loans that they originated. Almost all of those indices were more than 100% of growth year over year. So Affirm seems to be on the right path, and the CEO actually made a statement that you don't want to underestimate the American consumer. So, of course, Americans will look for a creative way to finance their purchases, and Affirm has just the product that most people need. You know, if you need, let's say, I don't know, a new laptop computer for your business, of course, if you don't have the full payment, let's say $2,000 to buy your computer, through Affirm you can, and if your merchant is working with Affirm, then you can buy the computer and make payments over time without having to necessarily pony up the full value of the computer on the date of purchase. So that's where we're sitting at with Affirm. It seems to be trending even higher if you look at the graph. But again, in these market conditions, I always I'm putting out a word out there. If you are listening to me, if you're listening, you watching this video, please keep your emotions aside, keep whatever preconceived notions you have aside, and just look at the raw data. If you look at the past 6 months, you can see how the value of Affirm has slowly declined. So buying Affirm now, I think, is actually a bargain, because just 6 months ago, in November last year, it was trading at about $151, and right now you have the same stock for $23, which I think is a very, very, very good bargain. A month ago, you can see that the stock was still dropping, and it went as low as $14 on that was on May 11th. That's 2 days ago. And I think this turnaround started on May 12th. That's yesterday, when Affirm started running up, and today it continues with a whopping 32% increase in the stock value. So congratulations to those who bought into Affirm yesterday. Don't forget, it's earnings season, and last year there were a lot of people who bought things from home, because not all towns, businesses were open, so people were still buying a lot online, and that might have also contributed quite a bit to Affirm taking having such a huge growth in the third quarter of 2021. Anyway, that's what I had to share with you guys, and hopefully we continue to see this trend where the economy recovers. And one last thing before I leave, Affirm financially is in a very, very strong position. The cash that they have on hand, cash or cash equivalent, far surpasses the liabilities that the company has. So I think that that's the bottom line. So Affirm is actually standing on very firm ground, and take it for what it is. I think the company is on a good footing compared to others in the same sector. They are not the only ones that have dropped over the past 6 months. It's the economy writ large that has dropped. So Affirm is just one piece, one of the companies that make up all the economy. And so yeah, it's an economy-wide phenomenon, and it's quite refreshing to see that some companies break away from the norm, and you have them running up due to their stellar performance and returns and value that they give to the shareholders. Thanks for joining me once more. I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and see you later.